Hello, my name is Oliver, and in this video I want to take the chance to talk a little about the VideoMic Me-L from Rode. Many of you already know the VideoMicro, with this wonderful cable which you plug into the lightning adapter and then you plug it into your iPhone, and then you get a horseshoe for your camera so you can just put it on it. And yeah, that's for me was like, let me store it quickly and get everything and put it away. Don't like it. That might be the better solution. So when we open this one, it comes again, we love this nowadays, in wonderful plastic with a furry dead cat. I mean, it's a massive dead cat. And as the second part, it comes with the mic. And you see what is special about this one? It's the lightning connector. So yeah, didn't have a fancy ass sound, so I made it myself. This one is super great as a thought. Unfortunately, with the iPhone 12, this is the only con I found so far. If you have a case, you see that the case is rubberized in the bottom as well. That does not work. So you need to take out your phone, and then the real difficult part is plugging it in. So that's all. And basically then you're gonna take a video. You just open your app, whether it be VideoMic Pro, whatever you're gonna use. And the nice part is, what I realized is, you do not have to worry too much about setting up your gains. And this is the most common problem with this one here, without the lightning adapter. The gains are not properly set, and then you have like this clipped sound, whatever. So we're gonna try this now here live. This is a video of the audio used by the VideoMic Me-L, and if I unplug that now, so then we have the normal audio from the iPhone 12 Pro, and we can put that back while we are talking. That's pretty nice, especially if you want to change the direction. And yeah, there we go again. I think it takes a few seconds to pick up, but you can also use it the other way around, where you basically just place it this way. So if I film like this, you see, there's a nice mic. That works. If you have a case on your phone, make sure that you understand what kind of case you have. So if I try to do that here, you probably don't hear it, but there's an issue. It doesn't go in. So you either have to cut this, don't want to do that on a leather case, or you have a case which is open on the bottom. There's not too many cases right now for the iPhone 12 which are open on the bottom, but for the 11 and for the 10 and for everything before, there are options where the case is open on the bottom, and that's easy to use. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like down there, and if you have any more questions, leave it in the comments. And that's all from me for today. Have a great one, and see you next time.